Alright, hello YouTube land. We're heading to the Hemlock Cliffs near English, Indiana. About a 1-mile loop, and it's in Hoosier National Forest, and it's supposed to be pretty nice. So we're about to find out what's happening. More to come. Alright, pretty nice waterfall. It's supposed to be one of the tallest waterfalls in Indiana, and lots of icicles, so be careful if you're out here in the winter. Also, lots of people, so watch out for parking, and you're not supposed to park on the road. So far, pretty slippery as well, with a lot of cliff area, so as always, moderate to hard hiking. But now we're on the flatter area and about a half mile more to go.